Zineboto Red Ribbon Club pra Cornerstone Higher Secondary School de HIV awareness program rakhya de Red Ribbon Club laga nodal officer Jenny Kent pra club laga tinta core objectives aro activities khan janaise. Program de school students aro faculty jama kurigina thakya homoy Kent pra HIV aro AIDS laga upor de awareness janaise aro youth majode etu bishi hoy ase koigina kuise. Program de alak presentations khan thakise. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare under the Nagaland State AIDS Control Society sponsor kurina statewide information, education and communication campaign to organize kuriase koigina Kent pra janai dise.
From the Red Ribbon Club, Zineboto Government College, and there is a lot to say about Red Ribbon Club. However, because time is of the essence, and if I were to summarize the functionality of Red Ribbon Clubs in colleges in 3 core objectives, that would be number 1, to spread awareness on HIV and AIDS to the community, people from all walks of life, but with special emphasis on young people like you all today. And second, to fight against stigma that surrounds HIV and AIDS infected persons, because people, those who are infected with HIV and AIDS, more than the physical ailments, is the social stigma that really breaks their soul. And number 3 is we also conduct a lot of seminars and programs inviting expert resource persons to educate our students on the significance of blood donation. And for blood donation, we never pressure, neither manipulate our students into going and donating their blood. However, it is voluntary, and every semester we have a lot of students from our college who have such a heart of serving the people, saving lives, and just this semester itself we have had 7 students who have donated their blood in the district hospital, impacting families and saving lives. So in 3, just summarizing the main core functionality of RRC. Now today, why we are here is it's a part of the IEC campaign, that is information, education and communication campaign. It's a statewide campaign organized and sponsored by the NSEX, Nagaland State AIDS Control Society, which is under the Ministry of Health and Welfare. So why we're doing this is because we want to reach to as maximum number of people as possible, especially the young people, and draw the attention of all towards the pressing need of the hour, that is to raise awareness on HIV so that we can all together prevent. Because for HIV and AIDS, prevention is the best step to take forward to fight against this. And today our students will be performing a very simple flash mob dance and a short drama, and this play is centered around the theme of spreading HIV awareness. However, one thing I would like to add is the play will be enacted in the Sumi dialect. So for all of my friends, teachers, staffs and students who are not from the Sumi community, please pardon us for today. But why we are going to make use of the Sumi dialect is because our college distinctiveness is cultural consciousness through native dialect, where we are emphasizing on the significance and importance of our native dialect, whichever state or district it may be. So for us, Zineboto is the Sumi dialect. So that is why the drama will be enacted in Sumi. And in conclusion, I would like to add that Nagaland ranks 2nd in HIV positive cases, next to Mizoram. So if we were ranked 2nd in cleanliness or maybe literacy rate, then it's something to be taken, we can take pride in it. But to be ranked 2nd in HIV AIDS cases, it's something very concerning, and we all need to come together to fight against this and understand why the statistics is so, and how do we fight back. And this is also one of the main objectives why we are here today doing this activity. So lastly again, I would like to, on behalf of the principal and also the Red Ribbon Clubs at GC, I would like to sincerely express my gratitude to the school authority for allowing us this time in the assembly today.